Hey there. We're talking about time, feel, and function, survival tools for musicians, TFF. And today we're going to do a little brief piece on feel. What does feel mean? Feel, feelings, good feel. For me, where I feel things, where I feel music, is in my body. I like to say from the neck down. The neck up is my brain, which is great for a lot of things. It's great for gathering information, parsing information, learning things. It helps me with so much. It does not help me play with good feel. So, one of the tools I use to get in my body when I'm playing is to actually start moving my body. So, I'm playing rhythm. I'll put this in the context of country piano, which is my course in ArtistWorks. So here's a very basic country rhythm. Sounds kind of flat. I was forcing myself to not use my body, to not engage my body, because what I normally do, what is automatic for me now is it's if I'm going to use the pedal with my right leg, it's my left leg. 3, 4. See, when I do that, and just to clarify, I'm not moving my leg in response to what I'm playing. It's the opposite. Yesterday we talked about the inner metronome. So I've got this inner metronome, and I attach that inner metronome to my leg somehow. I kind of visualize it like I've got this little rhythm maker inside. So I get this guy going, and then I'm playing to that, almost as if this was a drummer. And I am... Because if you noticed, I played differently. I started to, it was feeling. So when I do this, I access my body, and in my body is live feelings, live emotions, live experience, all this stuff. So when I get my body involved and connected with what I'm playing, I can't help but start imbuing the music with feeling. So it's not just sort of technical feel musically, but it's also feeling. You know, I could do... So that's my trick to getting my body involved in the music from the start, is I have to actually, my body has to be reflecting, and usually it's quarter notes, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I have to externalize that. And then my inner metronome is always, all of the subdivisions are sort of floating around in my brain as available rhythms for me to play. But that's the law right there, and it frees me up, and it also allows me access to feeling. And if I don't do that, I can still, via my craft, play something that's in good time, but I miss half of the boat. I got the time part, not so much the feel part. And time and feel, we really want them to work together almost as one. So I hope that makes sense, and we'll see you on the next one.